Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Minuet 3 on violin. First, let's look at the basics. This piece is in G major, meaning you'll encounter one sharp on F throughout. The time signature is 3/4, so each measure contains 3/4 note beats. Aim for a clear, sustained tone with your bow, ensuring a lyrical quality. Begin by practicing the opening phrase very slowly to establish precise finger placement and intonation. Now, let's focus on your left hand. Maintain a relaxed hand position with your fingers gently curved over the fingerboard. Use a light, yet precise, touch to ensure each note rings clearly and in tune. Pay close attention to the intervals, distinguishing between half steps and whole steps for perfect intonation. Practice shifting between first and third positions smoothly, aiming for seamless transitions without any breaks in sound. Next, we'll refine your right hand bowing. Strive for consistent bow speed and pressure across the string to produce an even, beautiful tone. Make sure to use the full length of your bow, especially for those longer, sustained notes and phrases. Practice smooth string crossings, anticipating the next string to avoid any abrupt sounds. Cultivate a flexible wrist. This will allow for more nuanced and expressive bowing, bringing the music to life. Finally, let's talk about musicality and effective practice. Listen intently to the melody and shape your phrases to create a beautiful, flowing line. Experiment with dynamics, playing some sections softly and others with more volume to add expression. Always practice with a metronome to build a rock-solid, consistent rhythm. If you encounter a difficult passage, break it down into smaller, manageable sections and practice them slowly until they are perfect.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.